It was actually a faceless drawing that I made in the previous video. But since many of you requested to draw his face too, here I am with the face tutorial. Okay, let's start with his eyes first.
If I check in time